So hello everyone. I just want to show you how we are doing popcorn at home without a microwave. So I have this thing here, which is from old style, which I use it. You can use something like this as well. There would be not a problem, but I prefer really this one. I think it's much better. The Romanian word for this thing is ceaun. I'm not sure. So I put a little bit of oil. I'm not sure if it's not too much. Something like that. Hopefully it's enough. The next thing that you really need is this one, where it's East End popcorn. I did buy it from Tesco, or I don't know where else you can find it, but it's really great. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, so I turn it on. You really still need to wait a little bit if you're having it as well on electricity hob. As well, prepare a lid so you can hold it like this. When they jump, they're gonna jump out all over. So,
Hi guys. So
hi.
This is my
What are you having there?
popcorn.
Do you want to eat some popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just need to wait there, yeah?
No,
They start now to jump. I think it's really fun. As you can see now, they are all ready. They don't pop anymore, hopefully. They look delicious. So